We are going to cover geography for UGC NET. That exam is conducted by NTA, that is National Testing Agency. And in geography we are going to cover part 1, that is geomorphology. Here some are the important topics. In topic 1, that is graven. Graven is related to orogenic belt. We have to memorize this. Graven is related to orogenic belt. Groin is related to littoral zone. Gore is related to Aeolian area. Gabbro is related to lithosphere. Now from the pictures or diagrams we can understand what is graven. How graven is related to orogenic belt. Here is a mountain blocks. Due to normal fault, one block is moving downward and other is upward. The downward portion is known as graven and the upward portion is known as horst. Okay. Now groin. What is groin? How it is related to littoral zone, that is coastal area. Here in this image we can see it is a coastal area, and here we can, if we look carefully, here it is a perpendicular line here and here and here. It is a man-made architect that is known as groin. It is groin is used to make the severe effect of sea waves that may cause to coastal erosion. So this groin is related to littoral zone. Now gore. Gore is also known as mushroom rock. Now gore. This image is known as gore. Gore is related to Aeolian area. Gabbro. Gabbro is a related to lithosphere. Here is a sample of gabbro. It is a part of rock. There are different kinds of rocks and they have various properties. Gabbro has different properties from marble or granite. So gabbro is related to lithosphere. Okay, now moving forward. The river valley whose courses are controlled by factors which are not determinable are termed as insequent. River valley which, whose courses are controlled by many factors but are not determinable, that is known as insequent. It is mentioned by Thornbury. Okay, but in exam the questions may come like the river valley whose courses are controlled by factors which are not determinable are termed as, in options you will find insequent. Insequent will be the correct answer. We can compare this word with significant and opposite is insignificant. Similarly it is insequent, that is not determinable. But here the image is not related to insequent, but the question setter or can or examiner can confuse with similar words like resequent, subsequent, obsequent, consequent. Now what is consequent? Consequent is the main river channel. It is a main river. It is moving from upward to downward slope. Here we can see the slope from upward to downward. The main river moving is known as consequent, and the subpart which merges with the consequent is known as subsequent. And in subsequent, the another river merges with subsequent in the same direction of main river, that is consequent, is known as resequent. But if another river merges with the subsequent, then but its direction is opposite of consequent river, that is known as obsequent. Okay. Now the third topic, assertion and reason. Deep chemical decay of rocks is one of the outstanding features of humid tropical region. It is correct. Intensity of chemical weathering depends to a large extent on abundance of water and higher air temperatures. It is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay. Now topic 4. Here is some books and its author. Physical Geography is written by a Stroller, and this book is the Physical Geography is written by Alan Stroller, Arthur Stroller. And the second book, that is An Outline of Geomorphology, is written by Woodridge and Morgan. Woodridge and Morgan. Here the spelling is mistake. We can rectify. WOOLD. Okay. Okay, correct. An Outline of Geomorphology is written by Woodridge and Morgan. And this is the cover of that book. An Outline of Geomorphology is written by Woodridge and Morgan. Third book, Geomorphology, is written by Lobeck. Essays in Geomorphology is written by Harry Dury. Now the image of that book we can see here. Essays in Geomorphology, edited by G.H. Dury, Harry Dury. And the book Geomorphology is written by Lobeck. Fifth topic is the slope replacement model was propounded by Planck. We have to memorize this. We need not to. If you don't know the concept, it is not a problem for this exam. If you can memorize it, like you have to memorize slope replacement model is propounded by Planck, and slope decline model is given by Davis. Here slope replacement and here slope decline. And third concept is slope retreat or slope parallel retreat is given by L.C. King. Now from this image, I am trying to make some sense why it is known as slope replacement, slope decline and slope retreat. Here slope decline. Suppose this was the slope in first instance. After some period of time, this slope becomes like slope number 2, and again after some period of time this slope becomes like this. It means the slope 1 has declined like to slope 2, and also similarly it is. From this diagram we can imagine the slope is declining, the angle of the slope is decline. So this model is given by Davis, slope decline model. On the other side, slope replacement model. Here we can see this is the slope 1 and this is slope 2. it is not clearly decline, but here the slope is also increasing, moving forward na? And similarly in third instance the slope is also displaced from its place. So it is replacement, means slope 1 is replaced by second and slope 2 is replaced by third. It is not declining like the Davis model. So the slope replacement model is given by Pank. Now slope retreat. This model is given by L.C. King. In first instance, the slope was like here. Okay. After some period of time, this slope becomes like this, parallel to the earlier slope. Similarly, after third instance, this slope will eroded and it will becomes like this after some period of time. So here we can clearly see that slope 1, 2 and the final slope 3 all are parallel to one another. So this model given by L.C. King is known as slope retreat or parallel retreat. Hope you understand. Okay, let me see you the real diagram of given by their geographers of the geographers. This is the model of Davis cycle of erosion. Suppose in earlier stage slope was like this. After some period of time, over the period of time it decreases, means slope is declining. So this model is known as this model is given by Davis, and the last stage is known as penny plane. This concept is also important, that is penny plane. Sometimes questions can ask who has given penny plane. It is Davis. Similarly, in Pank's cycle of erosion, suppose in initial stage the slope was like this, means the slope is replacing. Here the slope is moving from downward simultaneously and it was eroded from the above simultaneously. So it is replacing one another. So this model is given by Pank, and the last stage the slope looks like this is known as interim. So the interim term is given by Pank, and the third concept that is given by L.C. King, that is slope retreat. Suppose the initial slope was this, after some period of time it becomes like this and this and this. It means there's after the erosion of their slopes they are parallel to previous slope. The angle of the slope has not changed, but it has reduced some materials from the other sides, but the angle is same. So this is parallel retreat. So the parallel retreat is given by L.C. King, and the last stage is known as Peddie plane. So the term Peddie plane is given by L.C. King. The Indrumpf term is given by Pank, and penny plane term is given by Davis. Okay, so here we understand what who the slope replacement model is given by Pank and slope decline model is given by Davis, and slope retreat or parallel retreat is given by L.C. King. Now moving to the sixth topic, that is landscape produced by single dominant geomorphic process are called as simple landscape. We have to memorize this. Simple landscape means single dominant geomorphic process. There is not two or three dominant geomorphic process but only single. that is known as simple landscape. The examiner can confuse with various objectives options like they can give mono landscape, multi landscape, but the exact word is simple landscape, that is single dominant geographic process. If more than one uh, geomorphic process, then it will become compound landscape. Okay, now the seventh topic is the concept. Landscape is function of process, structure and stage, is given by William Morris Davis. We have to memorize this. Okay, now the eighth topic is lateral planation theory of pediment formation was proposed by Gilbert. This concept or theory is given by Gilbert, that is lateral planation theory, and lateral planation theory is promoted by Johnson, and further Sharp and Howard also explain and elaborate lateral planation theory. But we have to memorize lateral planation theory of pediment is given by Gilbert. Now the ninth topic is the wave cut platform is found in, there may be four options. The California coast. If we find in option California coast will be the answer. Now wave cut platform is, we can see this image from the coastal area. The wave, sea wave comes and cut this part and has made it like a platform. This platform is known as wave cut platform, and the upper part that is not cut by the wave, sea wave, that is known as marine terrace. Okay, now the 10th concept is the theory of sea floor spreading was proposed by Hiss and Dietz. Memorize it. Who has given the theory of sea floor spreading? Hiss and Dietz. Now what is sea floor spreading? From, in brief, we can understand from this image, as we have already studied about seafloor spreading. Here, mid-Atlantic ridge, the seafloor is spreading from mid-Atlantic ridge from this way and this way. That is diverging from here to here and diverging from this part to here. And in exam sometimes comes like which part is older and oldest and youngest. The portion near the mid-Atlantic ridge is youngest because the volcanic eruptions erupted from this part, so that will be the youngest. And the move further parts, that is moving from mid-Atlantic ridge to the away from the mid-Atlantic ridge, we will get older, and if we move further from the older, then we will get oldest, that is the oldest. So the youngest, oldest, older and oldest. Okay, so we stop here with the 10 topics. We will further continue.